Here we present the 5 best 12 miter saw blade. Let's get started with the list. Starting of our list at number 5. Within the miter saw blade market, there are a couple of loose categories used to identify what types of cuts the saw blade is designed to make. While this does not necessarily mean that the saw blade can only make these types of cuts, it does mean that you will see better results making that type of cut with that particular saw blade. One of the primary categories is the combination saw blade, and with Freud being one of the biggest manufacturers in the saw blade market, it only makes sense that they would also put forth the best combination miter saw blade that we reviewed. At number 4. As a company, no other on our list can trace its roots back as far as Makita, which was founded over a century ago. Of course, back then Makita specialized in electric motors, which comes in handy now that Makita is one of the world leaders in professional power tools. That said, Makita does not specialize in power tool accessories more generally nor power saw blades specifically. In this regard, Makita relies on its significant market share in other related product categories to subsidize their miter saw blades and provides excellent value compared to most of the other brands that we saw. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Halfway of our list at number 3. Out of all the brands on our list, none are more generally well known or well respected than DeWalt, though the brand has definitely gone through its ups and downs. Still, with a history as storied as DeWalt's, that is bound to happen, since they were founded over 90 years ago. That said, DeWalt is currently on the upswing after being bought by Black & Decker and then rebranded as their professional grade line of products. At this point in their evolution, DeWalt is a company in revitalization, and while they are generally not the best in their class, they are still generally high performing, though they are also quite expensive too. Nearing the top of our list at number 2. One of the most notable qualities of the Forust CM12806-115 is its tooth geometry, which, unlike most of the other miter saw blades that we reviewed that use an alternate top bevel tooth geometry, is a high-angle alternate bevel. This basically means that the Forust CM12806-115 has different types of teeth on the body, both the flat top tooth geometry as well as the alternate top bevel tooth geometry. Generally, you use this configuration to cut through specific types of material that require this tooth geometry to prevent the blade from tearing the material. And coming in at number 1 of our list. In the world of circular saw blades, regardless the specific type of circular saw employed, Freud is one of the biggest and most reputable names in the business. Though not nearly the oldest company on our list, Freud does specialize in the various tool attachment accessories, though the company does not specialize in saw blades specifically. When it comes to the most important qualities, the vast majority of manufacturers find a way to ensure that they remain competitive, making the differences in their performance more a matter of what type of cut you specifically need and your skill as a woodworker. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Thanks for watching our video. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.